Okay, ladies and gents, the first things we need to do before we start working and actually making parts in Inventor is we need to go to create some places to save our work. We don't want to do it on the hard drive, the C drive, because remember we're sharing computers, so that means that our files are open to other people to get at. And we certainly don't want to do it on the desktop. Now, of course, I've done that on mine because no one shares the computer here, but we need to set ours up in that H drive that we've been checking that we have. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to set up a file in that H drive to keep the data. So we're going to go click on the File Explorer that's down here, and you're going to go to this PC. And you're going to look for something that has an H drive. Look real carefully because students oftentimes have two. You got an H and an X, and sometimes that H isn't visible. You click on it. Make sure you're on the H drive. I'm going to go ahead and open that, and mine's empty right now. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and create a document or create a folder. So I'm just going to left click or right click rather and say New Folder, and I want you to make one just like this. You're going to call this IED, Intro to Engineering Design. Open that folder, and inside we're going to make another one, and this is where we're going to save all of our Inventor project files. So I'll go to Folder and just call this one Inventor. Right, those are set up. We can move that back down. Now go ahead and open up Inventor. It may take a moment for you. You might want to pause the video. It's going to come up in here. And the first thing we want to do before we start working ever, we got to think about where are the parts and the assemblies or whatever that I'm going to be making. Where is that going to be saved? Always on the H drive is the answer. So the first thing I'm going to do is hit projects. I've got a lot of projects already open, and like I said, I've been bad. I've been putting them on the hard drive and the C drive. You won't do that. So the first thing I've done is gone projects. I'm going to say new. It's going to be a new single user project. We'll never do new vault projects. This would be for like a big engineering team working together and they keep everything what's called a vault. We're going to go next. Now here's where we need to specify that folder that we just made. So I'm going to go here to browse. I'm going to scroll down until I find my H drive. I think that was right here. And then it should give me some directories underneath it. Inventor. Okay, so that's my path right there. IED in the H drive, and inside the IED folder is Inventor. And let's go ahead and get this started for our first project that we're going to work. This is, I'll just call it Activity, Act 4.2. So all of the parts that we make are going to be saved in this project file. So I can go next. There are no libraries. That would be if I'm using commonly used parts I want to import, and we're not going to do that in this class. So just finish and done. And you can see right now it's got me checked on activity 4.2, and I'm ready to go ahead and start building a part in this case. So I'll open that up. It's going to take a moment. Inventor is sometimes slow to run. It's a big program. And the first thing we're going to do is start sketching some parts. So that's going to start with the 2D sketch. There are videos to get you started. Please use them. Try, make mistakes, that's okay. But don't frustrate yourself too much. Use the video, ask for help.